Hey YouTube, this is Mel, and behind me I got my LSR G37. Currently going through the car for next year. Mostly gonna make videos about stuff that I couldn't find on forums. So hopefully you can help out some people that are interested in it. So quick tour around the car. As you can see, it's on jacks. Motor is out. It's currently being built. Just rods and pistons. And interior is completely gutted. And I'm switching over to a winter squick change for next year. Just waiting for a Sicky subframe. So the first video I'm making is about doing a electric power steering conversion using a Q50 or Q60 rear-wheel drive steering rack. So here is how the power steering rack looks like installed. It will fit any 370Z or a G37 subframe without any modification. The only thing you need is the main harness for the steering rack, which has a ground main power that needs to go to a 100 amp fuse, and then you got a smaller connector with your CAN high, CAN low, and a 12 volt ignition. So taking a closer look at the harness, this is what I did for testing purpose only. I hooked this one up to the negative side of the battery, this one to the positive side of the battery with a 100 amp fuse in between, and then the 12 volt ignition wire to a 10 amp fuse. I will attach a video when I was testing everything out. So the way you would wire it up is chassis ground, main power going to 100 amp fuse, and then to the battery. Find a 12 volt ignition source, and then hook it up to a 10 amp fuse, and then splice your CAN high and CAN low. If your car doesn't have the CAN high, CAN low, and yours is gutted like mine, or it's a race car, the way you want to set it up is you can either put it on a relay and then turn it off and turn it on by switch, or the way I'm going to set it up is I'm going to use my transmission speed sensor to where it shuts off at a certain mile per hour, so it doesn't feel super light whenever I'm cruising around. So yep, that's it. If you have any questions, just comment down below and like and subscribe.